They make something that addresses that problem, and we call that a prototype. Right, Dr. Claire?
We do, Captain Gadget.
Building up, who will solve?
Coulter, I'll take notes for you today, okay?
Okay. Coulter, right here, we got stuff on the table. What can we use to protect somebody's head? Do you have any ideas?
Coulter, what do you think? Pretty comfortable?
Okay, so yeah, before you... What's the first thing you need for an invention? Is it a problem, a screwdriver, or $5? What?
What do inventors do? Big ideas no one's had.
We always like to help the teachers out in this part of the program. So we brought along actual thinking caps for them to wear. So Dr. Claire, you want to hand out the thinking caps?
Something new, a new gadget, so wonderful.
3, that is going to be a problem that has to do with cleaning something of your choice. Cleaning an animal, cleaning your shoes, a toy.
Will you give it one more try?
It's set. Go, there we go. They're off and running.
Ding 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 ding.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6. I love this part of the show because it's so fun and exciting, but also think they didn't know what problem they were going to... Spill no more. Very good. How does it work?
Well, what you do is you wrap the cord either around your neck or it has this little thing.
Very good. Your hand is, yeah, because those chemicals and stuff can like dry out your skin or make it smell funny. You spill no more. Give him a hand. Great idea.